Hey guys, it's Jean.
I'm Rachel and welcome to Let Us Bake, Bits and Uncle Bob's. This is where we show you 3 quick and easy recipes.
Let's get started.
First up is a double batch of pastry. Pay attention. To the bowl of your mixer, add 4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of vegetable shortening. Mix this until it becomes coarse crumbs. While that's mixing, crack 2 large eggs into a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of cold water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar and whisk. Once you see coarse crumbs, it's time to add the egg mixture. Mix until you see the dough form into large clumps. Turn the dough out onto plastic wrap. Wrap and chill in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. And that's our pastry.
Next up, our chantilly cream. Here's how you make it. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream into the bowl of your stand mixer. Add to it 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the whole thing until soft peaks form. All done. Next up is our strawberry jam. Into a heavy saucepan, pour 2 cups of strawberries, fresh or frozen, 1/3 cup of white sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to put this pot on the stove on medium-high. Once it boils, you're going to cook for 10 minutes while stirring the whole time. Jam.
That's the end of this Bits and Uncle Bob's.
For more recipes, head to www.letusbake.com. Don't you forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Today, we're gonna play What's in the Box? Who likes spiders? Nobody. I don't like spiders. I didn't even like making it. Gave me the creeps. You know, it's got the marshmallow body, and those long licorice legs, those beady chocolate chip eyes. It's coming for Jean.
Some kind of nut. It's like, oh, it's smushy. It's a marshmallow. I think it broke it. It's long and licorice. What is that? It's a spider.